Hi guys, so I have been doing home manicures for the past 4 weeks or whatever it's been, like 6 weeks. I did show you guys a while ago the acetone foil removers for gel that I used to originally get off the gel that I had on. And despite that, like, taking me a million hours, my husband being like, what the heck were you doing upstairs for 4 hours? I've been doing my own manicures. I had to trim my nails down significantly. But these are the things that I'm using. So the first thing I've been using is this Nail Tech Strengthener. Okay. You can get all of this, you guys, on Amazon, by the way. And then the next step is this. It's called Jealous Advanced Nail Gel Coat. Okay, it looks like this. I put this on. And this has really helped to strengthen my nails because when I took my gel off, honestly, I've had gel on for so long and such long nails that they were like paper thin and peeling and breaking, and it's been awful. I had super long nails and now they're down to nubs, which these are short for me. Okay, and then I've been polishing with Essie because I love Essie. And then the top coat that I'm using is this CND Vinyl Lux right here. So that's what I've been doing until I can get back into my nail gal. So these are pretty good, I think. You may think otherwise, but this is the best that I'm going to be able to do, and I've been doing it. I would say this lasts me a good week and a half, which is pretty good. I was thinking about getting the Dazzle Dry online, but this is lasting me pretty good, so I think I'm going to keep it. Questions, I will post whatever you want online, and that's what I've been doing for my at-home manicure. All right. Good luck. I know it's a trying time. So, good luck with your nails.